Hello friends, in this video we are going to add this like social icons. We can share this product detail page on social media, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, anyhow we can share. Add this, we are using the add this platform to use this Magento. So let's start with it. First of all, we have to go to your Magento theme module, go to the Magento catalog layout. You need to open the catalog product view.xml. Here we need to add a one block. Already one block is added. I'm going to add one more block, that is called reference container product info main. After this, I'm going to add reference block is completed. Now I'm going to add my reference container product info main. After main, I'm going to add my product view add this HTML. So let's start. Magento catalog product view add this HTML. So Magento catalog templates product view, there is only add to cart. Now I'm going to create add this.html, and here we are adding the add this.html code. Touch add this.html. Now going to create add this.html. No, we are going to use add this. I'm just creating the account register. I'm going to add share buttons. I'm going to use inline buttons. Continue. You can select number of services for. Okay, activate the tool. Now code only view. What we have to, you need to add this script. Okay, and also you need to add this class div so that this script will come. Okay, so I'm just adding this block first. Inline div, and we need to upload this, copy this code. Okay, so let's run the commands and check whether it's coming or not. Now deploy. Now done. Let's run the permissions command. For that, let's begin to check on our product detail page. Is it coming? Control U, Control F, add this. Check this CSS is coming or not. This is not coming. Let's check. What is the issue? Catalog product. This is not save. Let's upgrade this command. Generated var, then there is pub static. Okay, so let's reload the page. See, now the Facebook, Twitter, print, and more. This will come on that. So this way we are going to add this button over anything. Like here we have multiple sharing, Facebook, Twitter, and this. So that's all for now. If you have any queries, please do comment and please like it so that I will be motivated, and I will upload more videos on new tutorials for the core functionality in Magento. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.